Hey, I got cut off back there on that last video since we only have 5 minutes per video through Screener, but still looking at FBC here. Just basically looking for this to break out, a sustained breakout above this low 140 level, and this could easily run from there. We got some decent volume coming in. I'd like to see about 150 between 170 per share is where I'd like to take my profits on here. So this sold off big on this latest earnings release, and the stock is just completely oversold here. It's just been dragged down, so there's plenty of upside room as long as this can just find some momentum. An easy 20% is definitely something that's very possible. Next up was CVM. These guys, we actually traded this last year on this breakout here and made some big gains. Which is another Foos pattern. Now we have another Foos revival pattern in play here. As you can see, again, the lead-in trend followed by actual resistance point made here, and then I bought in here at what's my average fill price? 90 cents, and we're still at 90 cents right here. But basically, after a break, we want to see a nice consolidation, and that's what we got it going on right here. We're forming this pennant formation. And so as long as we ride the 13 EMA up, excuse me, we're still looking pretty bullish. And then we just want to see this break out to new highs above this triangle pennant formation. And I'd like to see this break above $1 per share. If that happens, I think we could easily run up into the 115, 125 level where I'd like to lock in my profits. Next up is GMXR. I bought into this other stock the other on this day at 521 is my average fill price, and in my alert I said I was looking for this to break out above 550. So I bought a half position in anticipation of the breakout upcoming. So it looks like we're about to push up there right now. Today's high was actually 552, so volume came in again today. And now we're riding up against this resistance level again. So as soon as this breaks out above 552, today's high, I'll likely be adding the second half position and riding this between up to about $6 to $650 per share short-term profit target. What's next? IMOS. IMOS was something that I picked up today. This is a really good revival pattern in here. We got the lead-in trend bearish, followed by this rise in price action, and then this nice looking triangular consolidation here. I bought into this today. Average fill price at 153.3. Nice close up near the high of day at 159. We got this big spike here on volume, which sparked the rally off this support level on earnings, and then we had this other spike in volume today on the breakout. So I think this could easily run up to about $2 per share and retest this high resistance level. So looking forward to seeing what kind of legs this position has here on IMOS. Next is LNG. This is something that I've been watching for a while for a pullback buy on the dip. I missed this breakout right here at first about $5 per share, where this ran up all the way to about $7 per share, and then bought today. Average position at 516 on this dip here after it bounced off 5. But looking at the 5-year weekly chart, this is a really bullish pattern here. This has just been it got sold off back in the heart of the recession, 2008, and this has kind of been channeling ever since, and then finally got a breakout here on big volume from about it ran from about 250 all the way up to $7 per share. So obviously pullback was warranted, and now we're kind of retesting this horizontal support area, and we started bouncing off this $5 today, and I entered at 516. So I'm looking for this to push back up to at least $6 per share, and over time I think this could actually even push back up to the $7 area. But short-term profit-wise, I'd like to get at least $6 for profits. Next one is VYOG. This is here's the weekly chart. The weekly chart here looks very bullish. This is actually what I call a force pattern, where the lead-in trend is either bullish or neutral, followed by a triangular formation started with volume with a breakout. My average fill price here is 460. We're at 469 right now. Let's look at a shorter term chart. We sold off after I bought in right here on this day, and then bounced perfectly off the 13 EMA, and now we're just kind of trending along the 13 EMA here.